Hello everyone, in this video we are going to be transforming my hair from the mess that you just saw to this smoky purple color. And for that I'm taking these two shades from Paul Mitchell's Pop XT range. They have so many beautiful funky colors in this range. The colors that I chose are steel and purple because I wanted more of a smoky purple and not a true purple. Did I just say purple? I'm really sorry. So here are these two colors swatched on a kitchen towel. Now you guys don't be fooled by this very dead swatch of the steel color. It is very gray. So here is my hair freshly washed and air dried. It looks kind of like a mess, kind of like Hermione, so I don't know, I don't mind it. Anyways, as you can see, my hair fades from my natural hair color, that is black, to this really light blonde color. My hair was actually platinum blonde last year until I decided to dye it into funky colors like pink and purple, so they have faded into this sort of peachy blonde. Now we are going to start by mixing up the colors. I'm going to mix 3 shades. For the middle shade, I'm going to take 50 grams of steel and 30 grams of purple and mix it all up. This is going to make a really smoky purple shade. This purple is quite a deep purple. It is not a light purple at all. Now for the lightest mixture, I'm taking 15 grams of steel, 10 grams of purple, and in this I'm going to mix in conditioner because I want it to be a lighter shade. You can mix up any conditioner that you like. You can actually make pastel shades with these colors as well if you just mix them with a lot of conditioner. For my darkest color, I'm just using the purple straight up as it is pretty dark and it is going to show up on my dark blonde / light brown areas. It is not going to show up on the black hair, so I am not going to apply any there at all. Now I'm just making sure to mix up all the colors together very well. You don't want any blobs of different colors in one bowl because it can lead to patchy hair color, which we do not want at all. Here are all the 3 colors mixed up together. Now I'm going to start the color application by taking the darkest purple shade and applying it closer to my roots. I'm not going to apply it on my natural black hair because that is just going to not show up there. And secondly, I'm taking the middle mixture and applying it all over the hair because this is the color that I want most of my hair to be, but I will leave the ends out for the end because my ends are really damaged, and damaged hair takes the color really fast, I should say. So I'm going to do my ends the last. And now you guys, you have to make sure that when you are sectioning your hair, you really saturate your hair because this is deposit only color and it really cannot be blended afterwards. So just blend as you go and make sure to saturate your hair. You can also massage this color into your hair if you feel like you are not really getting that much coverage with a brush. So massage it in with your fingers, really get it going in there. After you have done this procedure all over your hair, it should look something like this. The ends are not colored obviously because that we're going to do at the last, which is right now. So again, I'm just taking the lightest shade and making sure that it is really massaged into my hair, making sure that every single strand of my hair is coated very well. And I'm also blending it with the previous shades that I have applied. You want to make sure that all the colors blend into each other seamlessly. You don't want to leave any gaps in between if you want a really, what should I say, really nice ombre. This is how my hair looks after all the color has been applied, looking all sorts of wretched. But that's okay, we are going to be fabulous in about 30 minutes. But you guys, I ended up leaving it for more than an hour because my baby started doing some weird stuff and I had to go check up on him, and I was done looking after him, it was way too late, so this purple came out a lot darker than I was hoping, but it still looked pretty good, and I was not really worried because this is semi-permanent hair color. It is going to wash out of my hair as I continue to shampoo it. The hair on the front two sections of my hair is one shade lighter than the hair at the back, so the colors look slightly different on the front and the back, but that is not a problem for me at all. Actually, I prefer it that way. So the back of my head is a more darker, slightly warmer purple, but the hair in the front are a more true smoky purple. Well, you cannot really see the smokiness just now because the color did turn out so dark, but after one wash it was a really nice smoky purple. But unfortunately I did not get to film my hair after just one wash. However, I did it after two washes, and here is the footage of that. My hair turned out a lot more gray smoky purple in the front, and I don't really know how I feel about it. I don't hate it, I don't love it. I wish there was more purple, but I have a lot of the purple color left, and if I want more purple I'm just going to apply it on the front sections of my hair. And that is all, you guys. If you enjoyed watching my video, please do give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.